Hey guys, what's up? It's Joe here today, and I want to talk to you about a cash website that has been in my routine for a while, but I haven't made a specific video on. And as you can see in front of you, it is Earnably. Earnably is basically a jack-of-all-trades website. You can do a lot of different things on it to earn money. In my routine, though, I use this one as an Engage Me TV option. As you know, there are a couple Engage Me TV options you can use. This one I like the most in particular because it just has one of the better rates of the websites. And as you can see, if you go to videos and then you go to Engage Me TV, you're going to have these offers here you can do, and it's 0.8. As you go to redeem more, you're actually going to get away with redeeming less, as you can see. The conversion rate is at about 100 points equals $1, but as you can see, as you go down on the list, so I usually wait to get to 25 in order to redeem. Something else interesting about Earnably that I haven't seen on any other cash website or cash app is that they have auto redeem on here. And I never use that because, as you can see when I hover over it, there's a 1% fee. I don't mind getting on once a week, a few times a month, and just doing it myself rather than having the auto redeem. But that is a pretty cool feature nonetheless. And then if you go up, as you can see, if you redeem $1, you're paying 25% more, so I don't really recommend that for this. I'd at least get down to $5, so that way you get the 100 points per dollar conversion. As I said, there's a bunch of other stuff on here you can do. They have all sorts of walls you can do for different offers. There's surveys on here. There's tasks. One thing I also want to mention is the promo code section, because I actually have my own promo code for you guys, and it is TheTechSlugs. And whenever you use TheTechSlugs, you're going to earn 5% more on your offers for 5 days. I'm assuming this code isn't for me because I am obviously the person it was assigned to as TheTechSlugs. You can use this code though, and I will put it in the description if you want to. I will also have my sign up link in the description if you want to use that. They do have a referral system on Earnably. They also have video loyalty from Earn Honey on here. If you're interested in that, I usually just use the Earn Honey website, but if you're interested in using a third-party plugin for Earn Honey, you can use this. And Offer Turo, which currently does not have any video offers, but hopefully will soon. HyperMX is also a good video offers section, although a little bit less passive than Engage Me. So yeah, that was just a quick video about Earnably. You can check it out. Fairly standard, but in my routine and haven't mentioned it, so I figured it was important. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys later and have fun making money.
Thank you for watching this video meant to help you make more money with smartphones and computers. The link above me is a link to my website with the Getting Started series and a cache archive section where you can sort through hundreds of smartphone apps that make you money. Any more specific questions can be directed to me at my contact page or on any of the communities listed this way.